Guys, finally the time has come. This is my favorite section. It's called Ask TG and it's called Ask TG for a reason क्योंकि आप पूछते हैं सवाल और मैं गौरव AKA TG आपके उन सभी सवालों के जवाब देता हूं जो आपने पूछे होते हैं. Let's see the kind of questions we have for this week's episode. ओके, आपने दिल की बात सुन लिया, पूछ लिया शायद वही सवाल. वेल, आई नो द एसेंस ऑफ नोकिया is not there and the simple reason is that it's no longer Nokia because I know some ex Nokia employees started HMD and कुछ phones उन्होंने बनाए भी थे, even they are making phones now, but that essential flavor of Nokia as we used to know Nokia वो अभी नहीं है. And I mean it's a sad thing, but अब क्या कर सकते हैं? It's a fact because now HMD phones are just like any other smartphone in the market. Well guys, speaking of WWDC, I'll be there. I'll be in Cupertino, California where the Apple headquarter is and I'll be reporting live from there. मैं आपको बताऊंगा exactly in the next episode कि what all Apple has announced. See, it's a software event, तो मतलब we'll definitely have newer versions of the iOS, macOS, iPadOS, tvOS, visionOS, watchOS वगैरह. And फिर definitely we'll have some hardware as well. That's what I expect. Might be a successor for the Vision Pro, could be something unique. Let's see क्या होता है. आपको पूरी डिटेल्स में कवरेज मिलेगा. And speaking of iPhone 17, well, iPhone 17 होगा, iPhone 17 Pro होगा, Pro Max होगा, plus नहीं होगा. We'll have iPhone 17 Air this time around. It will be a very slim smartphone. So as of now, this is the update, and you'll have something special in an episode very soon जहाँ पे आपको एक first look मिलेगा of the iPhone 17 series exclusively in this show Gadgets 360 with Technical Guruji. Okay, I'll give you a very simple answer to this. It depends the kind of data you have in that device. Now, if the device is pretty basic, जहाँ पे ज़्यादा कुछ वो store नहीं कर रहा है and there is nothing much about it, it's just your heart or something, I mean, okay, it's fine. But then you talk about a fitness tracker जहाँ पे वो GPS linked है. Now people might get an idea like if someone is really trying to get in that information और अगर उसको वो चीज़ मिल जाए about your daily routine, maybe आप walk किस time पे करते हैं, आप घर से बाहर कब जाते हैं, आप कहाँ रहते हैं, your sleep cycle, you know, everything. So dangerous भी हो सकता है depending कि वो किस हाथ में पहुँचता है and then again the kind of data that that device स्टोर्स. तो कैजुअली समझ लेना कि अरे क्या ही फर्क पड़ता है, कोई क्या ही कर लेगा इस चीज़ से. आई मीन आई थिंक दैट्स नॉट अ राइट अप्रोच. आपका डेटा फिर चाहे वो बहुत ही लिमिटेड हो या बहुत ही डीप इनसाइट्स वाला हो, आपके लिए मेरे ख्याल से बहुत ज़रूरी है कि आप उसको संभाल के रखें और ऐसे इग्नोर ना करें कि अच्छा कोई क्या ही कर लेगा, ये पता लगा कि मेरे दिल की धड़कन कितनी है. गाइस, आफ्टर ऑल इट्स योर डेटा. Well, I think we're on the same boat because मुझे भी काफ़ी distracting लगता है and there's a thing about physical buttons which we are getting rid of these days, all thanks to big touch screens and everything. मुझे लगता है कि that's how the future is in the name of tech, in the name of modernization. हम bikes की बात करें, हम cars की बात करें, bigger and bigger screens are coming in, touch screens and everything. Physical buttons actually make more sense, but then just to modernize the cabin sometimes, just to include multiple buttons in a smaller space or maybe utilize the space better, the manufacturers are going this way. Sometimes it feels futuristic, sometimes you feel oh it's very confusing to use altogether, but क्या कर सकते हैं, sadly future यही है और इसी direction में हम लोग आगे बढ़ रहे हैं.